What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another ep of Stavjet Auto. Steve from Stavjet, and guys, new project. Going to introduce you to the new build, and if you're still interested in the van, don't worry, it's not going anywhere, but new main focus. Let's have a look. First step is first, purchased it as a roller, so we're going to get this thing roadied, regoed, on the road, running, and then yeah, I'll probably enjoy it for a couple of months, cruise it around over summer. So we have a 1975 TD Cortina. Couple of guesses as to what's going into this. Put them in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Doesn't hurt. Get some activity on the socials. So this here, factory grandpa spec TD. It's an XL, and yeah, mind the welding blanket. Been doing a bit of welding to the tunnel, but as you can see, it's all original. Interior's immaculate. All in preparation. All in preparation. But yeah, nice clean factory example of an original Cortina. Bought it off a second owner who only had it for a couple of years, I think. They mentioned that they bought it off an old elderly guy, and yeah, so the car's factory original as you see it, and it's got its bruises and whatnot, but yeah, I'm stoked. Alright, so you've seen the new project. This is what we're going to be focusing on for the next year, and yeah, hopefully you guys stick around, enjoy the ride. Going to be some fabrication going into this, which this car will be done right here in my garage at home. So yeah, if this is something that you're wanting to follow along, I guess learn with me. I'm about to purchase myself a welder. I've been borrowing my old man's for a while now, and yeah, so I'm gonna invest in a welder for this one, something like a TIG, possibly a MIG as well, because currently I've just been using MIG, my dad's MIG, but I want to also delve into the TIG work as well. So yeah, a bit of fabrication work. Fingers crossed for a big transformation, hopefully in 12 months. Again, my plans are, we'll see how we go, but full steam ahead this year, or this coming year, and over Christmas. And at the moment, I bought this as a roller, so got my little one over here. So this is our joint project, isn't it? Is this your Cortina? Yeah, what is it? Cortina? Yeah. So yeah, purchased this one for the little one, and now I've got another little one, and then rip the engine back out, and we'll come back to the engine sides of things, and drive line in a future ep. But yeah, for now, main goal, get this running before summer, before Christmas. I think we're already in summer anyway, and enjoy it with the family for a little bit. It's a beautiful car, and I'm actually sad that I'm gonna be doing the work that I'm gonna be doing, but fuck, it's like I purchased the car with intentions of doing what I wanted to do, and then when I actually brought it home, I was like, oh, just don't want to cut it up. I don't want to touch it. It's like original. It's as original as they come. But I've already got like 4 Cortinas, and yeah, why aren't I using one of my other Cortinas? Fucking good question. Saving them for a rainy day, and you know, this is rough around the edges. That's why I want to do it to this car. I know. Anyways, gonna be putting in an engine over the weekend. Gonna get my dad over. Gonna get my brother over. We are going to swap some engines around from another Cortina that I have. This one was a factory 2-litre 4-cylinder, so we're gonna put a 4-cylinder in this for a reg and roadie, and then yeah, so it should be a couple of episodes, and then she should be up and running, and then yeah, we'll take it out to a couple of car shows with the family, and yeah, so stick around. Hope you guys enjoy the content on the new build, and tell me your thoughts. And we're going to be putting the engine out of this into that, but what engine is in this, eh? Yeah, it's all show no go, and I'm going to show you the engine soon. All right, so we got the brother on the channel today, Chris. He's going to be helping pull out this banger of an engine. Hey, it's a mad little 2-litre Pinto, and I've put a cam in it, got some extractors, got a carby on it, and yeah, so we'll swap this, and she's gonna go into this, and hopefully yeah, a couple weeks have everything going roadie, and then get stuck into it. All right, let's start. Hey Chris, 2 minutes in. What happened?
Both knuckles.
Far out, mate. Are you serious? Did you come to help or what? The brother getting the tail shaft off, and we are almost ready to pull this little 2-litre out, and gonna throw him in here. This is a 6-cylinder shell, and if you're not familiar with the Australian Cortinas, they actually came out with a flat firewall and a recessed firewall. The flat firewall is this one here. So this is from the UK, and you'll see that the front radiator support is flat, and also at the firewall it's flat. So you can see there that that's flat right way through. And then when I show you an Aussie 6-cylinder shell, or even a 4-cylinder TD, only the 4-cylinder TCs came with the flat firewall. And yeah, again, so they were from UK. If you have a shell like this, you know, it's either a 6-cylinder shell TC, or it is a TD, because all TDs had the recessed firewall. And then yeah, you'll see here it's recessed over there as well for the inline 6. But yeah, like, this thing is a dead set clean example, like of just a clean shell. Like, you know, we'll paint the bay eventually, but we'll have this 2-litre in shortly, and then show you guys once we got it in. But yeah, this is the new project. All done?
All done, ready to go.
Mr. Stavjet, eh? Repping the Stavjet. Let's have a look. Alright, got the engine out. Little 2 litre on the crane. Empty bay. So yeah, we'll leave this. It's going to be another project, I think, because you can't put a 6-cylinder in this. I think it's either going to be a either put like a Windsor in here, or maybe like a I don't know. I actually thought about putting like a K24, something like that in here, because it'll fit between the bay. But yeah, this car will be put to the side for the moment and focus on this one here. So yeah, that's where we're at now. We've got street racing royalty over here in Melbourne, Johnny Nogas. He's come to man the barbecue while we swap these engines in. Alright, so it was about 12 or 11 at midnight. Me and my brother finished putting this engine in. There was a little bit of welding that I had to do on one of the gearbox cross members, and yeah, the previous owner, I believe, was putting in or attempting to put in a barra as well, and they've taken out the gearbox cross member mounts off the body, so I had to re-weld them in. So yeah, it took a little bit longer than what I thought it would, but anyways, engine's in the car. It's following day now, and yeah, here we go. So I've got my detail brush, and I've just been trying to clean it up as much as I can. It's definitely come up so much better than what it was. It was quite dirty, but I guess, yeah, all this sort of stuff, that's just the base or the top coat coming off, and then you just got that bitumen tar. I don't intend on painting the bay just yet. We'll get to that at a later stage, but yeah, got the 2 litre Pinto in, and tasked with now gonna start putting the brake setup back in. Got to put the steering bush in, or the steering coupler bush back in, plug in all the wires, clutch cable, speedo, heater box, and then hopefully we can take this for a cruise shortly. Not today. There's quite a little bit of work, but we'll get there, and I'll make sure to keep you guys posted on the ride. Cheers.